Do you want to learn English faster? Do you want to speak English with confidence?
You understand English but can't speak it fluently? This video is made for you. If you're still afraid to speak English, you're learning it the wrong way.
Today I want to help you improve your English. I have 10 great tips for you. These tips are simple and easy. They are perfect for beginners, so keep watching. You will find them very helpful. Let's start learning together. Tip number 1. Avoid perfection. Perfection does not exist. It is more important to be understood than to be perfect. Everyone makes mistakes, even in their own language. So do not worry about mistakes. They are opportunities to learn and improve. Think about Spanish, Italian, French, or Chinese speakers. They also make mistakes when they speak. If you are learning English to communicate, do not stress about being perfect. Even native speakers make mistakes. Just focus on being understood. Let me give you an example. Imagine you say, "I go to the store yesterday." It is not correct, but people will understand you. That is the most important part. Later, you can learn that the correct word is went. But do not let mistakes stop you from speaking. Mistakes help you learn. When you make a mistake, you remember it. Next time you try to say it correctly. This is part of learning. So relax and speak without fear. Your goal is communication, not perfection.
Do shadowing exercises. This is a fun and effective way to improve your English.
Shadowing means listening to a speaker and repeating what they say immediately. It is like you are their shadow. First, find an audio or video in English. It could be a short video, a podcast, or even a song. Listen carefully. Then repeat what the speaker says. Copy their words, their speed, their pronunciation. You can pause after each sentence and repeat it. Or you can speak along with the speaker. This improves your listening and pronunciation at the same time. It also helps you sound more natural. Start with short and simple audios. Then move to longer and more difficult ones. Do this every day, even for a few minutes. You will see real improvement. Tip number 3. Create stories with new words. This is a great way to remember new vocabulary. Every time you learn new words, create a short story using them. For example, if you learn cat, happy, play, you can say, "Once upon a time, there was a happy cat. The cat loved to play with a red ball. Every day it played in the garden." Stories connect words in your mind. This makes them easier to remember. You can write your stories or tell them to someone. Short stories are enough. Just be creative and consistent. Tip number 4. Relax. Relaxation is very important. When you are relaxed, your brain works better. Here are some ways to relax. Take deep breaths. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Practice in a comfortable environment. Speak slowly and clearly. Enjoy the process. When you are calm, you speak more naturally. So relax and enjoy your English journey. Tip number 5. Form conversation groups. Speaking with others helps you improve faster. Find friends who want to learn English. Agree to speak only English when you meet. Choose a regular time. You can meet in person or online. Talk about interesting topics like movies, hobbies, books, daily life. Be patient and supportive. The goal is communication, not perfection. Tip number 6. Practice role-playing. Role-playing means acting real-life situations. For example, ordering food, booking a hotel, asking for directions. One person is the guest, the other is the receptionist. Then switch roles. This prepares you for real-life situations. It helps you think and respond naturally. Tip number 7. Use the paraphrasing technique. Paraphrasing means explaining something in your own words. Read a short text or listen to an audio. Then explain the main idea in simple words. This helps you. Check your understanding, practice speaking, improve vocabulary. Focus on the main idea, not perfect details. Tip number 8. Practice the expansion technique. Start with a simple sentence. I have a cat. Then expand it. I have a small black cat. I have a small black cat that loves playing with a red ball. This helps you. Add details, describe things better, speak more clearly. Tip number 9. Be confident. Confidence is key. Everyone makes mistakes. That is normal. Practice speaking every day. Focus on your progress, not your weaknesses. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Confidence grows with practice. Tip number 10. Practice role switching. In a conversation, change roles. One person asks questions. The other answers. Then you switch. This helps you. Think faster. Keep conversations going, become flexible in speaking. Improving your English takes time and practice, but it is possible. Many people learned English on their own, and you can do it too. Keep practicing and never stop learning. Write in the comments, I will never be afraid to speak English again. Let's see how many serious learners are here. If you are serious about mastering spoken English, like this video and subscribe now. More powerful techniques are coming next.